There you go, my love.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. We are here for a very chill Friday. I worked really hard this week so that I could have a very relaxing Friday. I do have a couple things on the to-do list, but very low-key. So it's mostly a day off, which I am loving the idea of. I just want to like have the most chill, relaxing day. Just really take it in. And I think we'll just start off with sitting in bed, watching some TV, and drinking my morning chai, which Connor already made and brought to me. So thank you to him. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the most exciting part of this day. I keep forgetting that this is happening. Connor and I are getting our very first vaccine shot today. I am so excited, so happy that we are going to be on the road to being fully vaccinated. We have that at 2 p.m. It's pretty close to home, so shouldn't be a big trek or anything, but I'm really looking forward to going and getting that show on the road. Hi, Molly Cat. I've been waiting for you. I've been asking for you to come in here. Where have you been?
Chilling with Coco.
Chilling with Coco. You're such a good girl, Molly. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't like the hug? That noise, Molly. I'm sorry. I just love giving hugs. Managed to wrap up a ton of the little things on my to-do list already. Now we're finally getting to my chai, which always ends up with little coffee grounds in it from our Keurig, which is less than appealing, but that's okay. And watching some Grey's Anatomy. Well, in natural me fashion, I ended up working most of the morning here anyway. Things just kept popping up and it was nothing, too tedious, so I figured might as well get some stuff out of the way. But we are approaching 2 p.m. now, so Connor and I are about to head out to go get our vaccine, and I'm so excited. I also wanted to take a second to show you guys these jeans that I got from Revolve. I hauled these for you recently. Oh my god, this place is a mess. I am so sorry. We are cleaning tomorrow. Anyway, these are from Girlfriend. I'm gonna have them linked down below. Funny, I didn't realize when I was ordering them, but they're actually the same jeans as my white ones. Like they have the same name, except these are obviously not white. But I love them so much. I love the fit of them. I think they're really, really cute. They are a little long on me and they're meant to be cropped, but I just rolled it up, which is totally fine. And I just love this wash. Like, I think it's so pretty. It looks sort of vintagey. The denim, it is a little stiff, but I'm sure they'll wear in, especially I expect to be wearing these a lot. They're seriously like my new favorite pair of denim, I think. I love them. In addition to my white jeans, of course, because you guys all know I'm totally obsessed with those right now. But huge fan. I really love them. They fit really well. Let's go get vaccinated. Ooh.
Hoorah.
Hoorah. This is great. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Have a good one.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, good. That's not yours.
Nope, got it. So excited. Yeah. You look like you have a crazy beard coming out of your mask because they gave us extra masks to double up with. All right, let's go. All right.
We're all done.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. Hand that to the nurse outside.
Great. We did it. Both got it here.
My punches are a little lighter.
Exactly. Honestly though, the shot did not hurt. My arm is feeling totally fine. Connor said his is feeling a little stiff, which is obviously normal, but overall,
Shot didn't hurt at all.
amazing experience.
Very quick.
It was so quick and easy. I'm just so happy.
They don't really ask any personal questions, which is nice.
In case you're wondering, we got the Pfizer vaccine. I just feel like I'll probably get asked that in the comments, so there you go. And now Connor and I are going to go for a little walk over to Trader Joe's because there's one like 2 blocks from here and I never get to go to Trader Joe's. So Connor kindly offered to come with me, which
Exciting
I appreciate.
times.
It's so exciting. That means a Trader Joe's haul today, guys. Thanks. Stopped in for lunch quickly on our way to Trader Joe's. Just got a Cajun chicken sandwich. Connor got the same thing. We are so hungry though. I'm gonna devour this now. Trader Joe's time. So excited. Here we go. Yay.
Do you want me to hold it?
Sure, thanks. Got all the goods. I will be doing a haul when we get back. Back home in time for a TJ's haul. There's nothing I love more.
Excuse me, can you give some cuddles for your kitty?
Emily cat. Hey, sweet girl.
Thank you.
I love you. Okay.
Don't worry. So what we got here?
Yes. First up, loaded up on some jerk style plantain chips. They're so good. Also got these, which I've never tried before, weirdly, even though I've seen them everywhere. It's these rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored. Apparently they're very good. I have never tried them.
I'm just helping you out.
Helping me?
Yes.
Agree to disagree. All right, next up, another thing I've never tried, dark chocolate covered mini pretzels. Apparently they're amazing according to our cashier. So also picked up some, actually 2 bags of the Argentinian red shrimp. I love the shrimp from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite. And what I really like about it is that it doesn't shrink too much when it goes in a pan, unlike other shrimp. Got a refill on my matcha almond beverage. We also got 2 packs of the lobster ravioli from them. Never tried this before, but we love lobster ravioli.
We had it one time, remember? And we were surprised how much lobster they packed in it.
No, that was from the farmer's market
Oh, you're right.
in downtown. Got some more beefless ground beef, 2 of those. This is our favorite kind. So good from Trader Joe's. Also got, I never got onto this quarantine trend somehow, but got some cinnamon rolls. These are jumbo cinnamon rolls, so pretty excited about that. Probably will make these at some point this weekend. Of course, had to get some everything but the bagel dip, one of my faves. All right, next up, vegetable gyoza, really good. And to go with that, I got this gyoza dipping sauce. I've never tried this from Trader Joe's, so thought that would be yummy to try together. This is another new item. This is the cheese-filled focaccia with pink sauce, which sounds amazing. This is definitely like a me night sort of thing, because I don't think Connor will be that into this. Ooh, I got this the last time I was there, and it was amazing for lunch. Lemon basil pasta salad. It's so freaking delish. Also got some more unexpected broccoli and cheddar soup. 2 bags of the super sour Scandinavian swimmers. We love these so much. It was so sad when we ran out a couple months ago, so had to stock back up. Of course, had to get a massive amount of my favorite tofu in the whole world, the sriracha baked tofu from Trader Joe's. I got 4 packs because it's so good and I never get to go to Trader Joe's. This is something new, actually. It's the tofurkey plant-based Italian sausage. I really like the Italian sausage that's plant-based from No Evil, so very intrigued by this. And lastly, I got some cheese because I'm seeing some friends tomorrow and I said I would bring cheese, so here we are. 4 different kinds. We have this Old Amsterdam Gouda, which is so good. Got this Pecorino, which is also so delicious. Got a Parmesan, and then got this Havarti cheese with dill. And I love Havartis as well, so there you go. That is the Trader Joe's haul, and I am so happy about it. I cannot even tell you guys. I'm so glad that we went. And honestly, it always amazes me with Trader Joe's, like when I'm stocking up on stuff, like getting multiples of things, it still is not that expensive. $122 hairs. So not so bad. Tons and tons of food here and lots of like specialty goodies. Gotta love Trader Joe's. Anyway, I'm gonna put all this away now and then check in with Tara and Brendan to see what time they want to start Catan. Did I say that already? Me, Tara, and Brendan are playing Catan tonight, if I haven't said that yet. Okay, Catan time, and of course we're kicking it off with a shot or 2, because that's just the way that it goes around here.
How we do it.
That's right. Okay, here we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good luck, Brendan. Ugh.
Chug, chug, chug.
Yes. Here we go.
Yes, bitch. There she goes.
Get the goldfish in. guys, it is Sunday and we are having a bit of a productive morning here. Connor and I both got a little workout in, which felt lovely. It is the most beautiful day out, so we are definitely hitting the beach as well, which is going to be so good. But we're getting all of our errands out of the way first. Also, Connor's PS5 gets here today, so he's very excited about that. I'm sure I'm not going to see him for like days. Hi, Molly Cat. Pretty girl. But I think I'm actually going to hop in the shower when we're done with the clean, because I'm just going to like sweat while cleaning anyway. So, I'm gonna just hop in and get started here on cleaning. Gotta put away this mountain of clothes I've been avoiding. Morning clean is complete. Oh my gosh. So glad to just have that done and over with now. I hopped in the shower and just sort of like rinsed off because we're going to the beach this afternoon, so I'm gonna want to shower later tonight as well, so I didn't bother with my hair. I'm gonna do that tonight. Now Connor and I are going to head to the farmer's market, which we're so excited for, and just pick up a few little things there. My hair is looking not so. Anyway, we're gonna pick up a few things there and then come back here and get ready to head to the beach. Back from the farmer's market. Sorry I didn't get like actual clips there, but they were closing down, so we sort of had to move fast because a lot of the stalls were like wrapping up because we went so much later today and it ends at like 1:30. We didn't get there until 12:45. So anyway, all that to say, that's why I didn't get any actual clips there. We typically go earlier, but we had such a busy morning that just didn't happen. But I want to do a little haul for you guys. First up, we went back to our favorite flower stall and got a ton of flowers here, so I'm about to trim those up and get them into some vases with water, but always love getting those fresh flowers. Also went to this amazing bakery stall they have there. So we got a baguette. Their baguettes are so freaking delicious. We also got some ciabatta buns. And then the last thing we got are some pretzel buns, which I was eyeing last time we went there, and so I just went for it today. And everything is so soft, smells amazing. So good and fresh. I'm so excited. Got some more of the chipotle garlic spread that we got last time. This is from Z Garden Special, and this stuff is fire. It's so good. And then lastly, snagged some salmon. We found this seafood stall that we hadn't seen there before, but apparently she said she sold out of like everything before we got there pretty much except for salmon, but she was listing the stuff that she typically has. We are 100% going back there and like immediately going to that stall so we can load up. But got 2 big pieces of salmon here, which look so yummy. And that is the haul. So I'm gonna trim up these flowers now, and then I desperately need food. I'm starting to get a little hangry, so we gotta get some food in my body ASAP. Just like that, we're off to the beach. Really quickly, I think we're going to stop and grab some lunch, and then we are heading down to the beach. Caitlin, Alex, Victoria, Morgan, and Shelby are already down there, so we're just gonna go and meet up with them. All right, fish tacos, the only way to do it on a hot day. Connor's feeling it.
Ready to dive in.
Love this so much. Beach day! And it is so lovely, although it is very windy and the sand is just whipping so hard. But I thought that you guys would appreciate this. Me, Vic, and Kate are all twins in matching sunglasses and black bikinis. There we are. And then these two have the same exact shirt on. Like, what is going on with this group? We're spending way too much time together, I think.
Morphing into one person.
Yes, we are all one. Oh yeah, literally.
Our bracelets. Oh yeah, we all have the same hair tie.
Yes, all of the black slip in our
We
hair.
all like gold jewelry, black bikinis.
There's something wrong with us.
That exact Princess Polly.
I have that top
in blue at home.
I have it in blue too. Love that. We are back home, we are showered, we are fresh, and I want to share with you guys because I tried something new with my curls in the shower, and it's a little strange, but I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens. Basically, someone had DM'd me on Instagram and said, hey, when like my hair is feeling frizzy, what I do is I don't rinse my conditioner out because, you know, your hair is trying to find moisture and that's why it's looking frizzy. And so I decided to give that a try. So basically what I did is like put conditioner in my hair and then rinsed it out and then put more conditioner in my hair and didn't rinse it out, and just like stood in the shower but with the water off and like flipped my head upside down and like scrunched it up. And then while I was still in the shower, but again just with the water off, I used the Way curling cream, which I've been using a lot after the shower, and did the same thing, raked that through my hair, flipped my head upside down, scrunched it. So there's some stuff happening in my hair right now. I also did not dry my hair at all, like not even squeezing some extra water out of it, nothing. So I'm hoping that will help my hair, like, you know, just hold in as much moisture as possible. We're gonna see how that goes. Honestly, it's very uncomfortable right now because it's so wet and it just like, it's making me feel like so, it's just not a comfortable thing. So it's gonna have to give me some like pretty good results for me to do this all the time, because oh, it's just like I just, my whole like neck, chest area, it's just like wet. You guys can see. I'm gonna have to change the sweatshirt probably. We're gonna give this a go, see what happens with it, and if, you know, I notice a difference. I figure it might just be like a good thing to do sometimes, but we'll see. I don't know, maybe I'll end up loving it, doing it all the time. I'm very annoyed about this. Like, part of me just wants to tie like a towel around my neck to try to make it a little bit more comfortable while this is in like the early stages of drying. We did it. We tied the towel. And honestly, I feel instantly better. Like, as soon as I got it on, I was like, oh, that is so much better. So no regrets. All right, we got some snacks on lock here. We just used some of the fresh baguette that we got. Put some burrata on top with olive oil and balsamic, which looks amazing. And then we have our chipotle garlic spread, which is so good. And we're gonna try it with rolled corn tortilla chips, chili and lime flavored, that are apparently so good. So got a little snack for ourselves, and Connor's about to play his PS5 for the first time. He finally got one. It is massive.
Just
like
a little bit excited.
It's so big. It's
From
so
the
crazy.
future, Jill.
But it does look nice, so I don't mind. It's fine.
Huzzah.
Whatever. It is dinner time, and we are having ramen. Look at how delicious that looks. I am so excited for a little bit of spicy ramen. And what should we watch?
I have no idea.
How was your PlayStation?
You know what? Pretty damn great.
Glad to hear it.
I love a chance to be Spider-Man.
That's right. End of the night here. Connor and I are just getting ready to go to bed, but I thought I would show you my hair. So it dried pretty well. It actually is still sort of damp. Like it's taking a really long time to fully dry. My curls are definitely pretty defined, which is nice along there, especially along those bottom layers that are like fully grown out. So overall, I feel like this was successful. We'll see how it holds up. I definitely want to get some spray in there right now. Try to seal in some of that moisture. But all in all, not so bad, I don't think. But anyway, there's Molly Cat, and we are going to bed. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it, and